Hello everyone, this is Business Plus. I just want you guys to see this is exactly what is happening in VIP. Um, for Boom 1000 index, you can see this is my entry 10515, and we had a buy. This is the result, guys. Okay, so this is the result. We won. You can see the first spike happened. Then after this first spike, I wait. Then you can see another mighty spike happened. That's cool morning, guys. Cool. Now we have the second signal, and the second signal is you can see the entry point, which is the EP 10115. Then we bought. You can see the time frame is quite different from what we have here. The time frame on this is 5 minutes to H1 1 hour, which is the time frame. The DF stand from for time frame, and you can see on this we have H4, just H4 analysis. That's the reason why I put long term. And see, you have to manage your risk, okay, based on what you have in your account. And the warning is, don't forget it will retest. And we have a retest for we have a retest, and after the retest it keeps going and flying higher. It keeps going up. Okay, so let me quickly show you the result. Show you the result. You see, excuse me, this is Business Plus. The trade keeps running. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. It ran for almost 2 hours now. It has been running. You can see two candlesticks up. This is H4. Let's zoom. You can see. So I'll soon be closing. Why? Because you can see the trend. Okay, it's coming down. I'll soon be closing. And probably I close everything now. I have closed few from it. You can see 154. I have closed some. See, so I've closed some, and on this I'll be closing this too. Let me close now. And let me just close now. After a retest, if it's still an uptrend, I will get back in 1700 USD. Now I've closed. Okay, so guys, that's how we make things happen in the VIP, guys. That's how we make things happen. We follow the trend. And if you want to join the VIP, you can chat me in the description and link below. Chat me up, then I'll give you a massive discount. Probably if you want to go for 6 months or for the rest of the year, I'll give you a very good discount. So guys, thank you for being here, and thank you for supporting me on this channel, and thank you for everything. Thank you for the likes and comments. Okay, bye. Stay blessed.